How to screen record with sound on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to record your iPhone screen with sound using iOS 18, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, swipe down the control center and see whether the screen recording app is added to the control center. If it is missing, just press and hold the control center, click on add the control, then search for screen recording. And then add it to control center under display and brightness. Once it has added to the control center, then go back to your control center, locate the screen recording control, press and hold it. Now, to record screen with sound on your iPhone run on iOS 18, all you need to do is go ahead and turn on microphone. Once you see the microphone change from black background to wine or red background, then that implies that the microphone is on. So go ahead and click on start recording. Once you hit start recording, then your iPhone recording countdown will start. Then you can now exit this page and start recording whatever happens on your iPhone screen. Now, once you're done recording your iPhone screen, click on the dynamic island on time, then tap stop. Then shows a pop-up that says your recording is saved to photos. Open the recordings. Then if you go ahead and play the recording, and start recording whatever happens on your iPhone screen, you will see that the screen recording plays sound. So that is basically how to screen record with sound on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.